Hi, it's Donna, and I'm here to tell you about 5 power boosting snacks today. Greek yogurt with berries, rich in protein, calcium, probiotics. Apple slices with almond butter, loaded with fiber, vitamin E, and heart-healthy fats. Trail mix with nuts, dried fruit, and dark chocolate. Provides magnesium, iron, and antioxidants. Hummus with veggie sticks, high in plant proteins, fiber, and B vitamins. Cottage cheese with pineapple is an excellent source of protein, calcium, and vitamin C. 5 quick nutritional lunch ideas. Grab grilled salmon with quinoa, roasted veggies. It's all packed omega-3s, complete protein, and essential minerals. Turkey and avocado wrap on whole grain tortilla offers a lean protein, fiber, and healthy monounsaturated fats. Chickpeas in a spinach salad with a lemon tahini dressing could be a great source of plant protein, iron, and folate. Chicken stir fry with brown rice and mixed vegetables. Balanced in protein, complex carbs, and antioxidants. Lentil soups with a side of whole grain bread is full of plant protein, fiber, and B vitamins. Just the nutrient perks, Queen and Kings, and you can pick your royal fuel without getting lost in the numbers. Thank you. Look at my gorgeous lunchbox. It came today from Bourget. Think Fit. So you have 6 of these. These are all BPA free. Perfect for a snack size. Here is your shaker with the most amazing whisk. Let me show you this bad boy. So you put water and you put your protein in. Check that out. You won't ever have a clump. Not one. Then you have a compartment that you can put your pre-workout in. Let me see, how's it go? In here. So you don't have to mix it. Or you can put your protein in there. Isn't that amazing? Love it. Let's see what else this thing came with. And the coolest supplement or vitamin holder. And just turn it around to which one you want. Open the side. Take it out. How cool! Get yours today. Bourget.com. Look at all the room in this. Easily fits on your arm. Just grab and go, and you are set for the day.